I'm about to put you guys on the craziest money glitch that I have ever encountered in my whole fucking life. And I've been around for a while. So I've seen all these things, I missed the drop shipping era. I missed Bitcoin when it was at whatever 20k, I missed all that shit. I missed the agency building. I missed all that shit, but I am in the right place at the right time right now. I was tired of constantly losing money. I would go on Pump.Fun and all these dexes. I would listen to what all these gurus would tell me to put over 100 filters to try to find the right coin. I was constantly here. I was trenching it out. I was burning my Solana, and it just wasn't the way for me because I want to get fucking rich. Like, I want to buy my mom her dream car. I want to take my family shopping. I want to do all these nice things, and it just wasn't cutting it. So, I had to do something about it. This is why I came to the meme coin space, because there is no other space where you could go from making $0 upwards to 50K a month. That's it. Like, that's just on the low end. There's people making more than that. I was literally able to buy a Corvette, as you guys could see, off of just fucking rugging coins. Like, that's really all it was. I'm not the brightest person. I'm not a nerd. I don't do all this other stuff. Like, I just followed simple steps. I was at the right place at the right time, which you guys are going to be too. And you're just going to be able to ride the wave and cash out every single time. So if you guys are interested in doing and learning what I do, just watch this video, and I promise you, bro, it will change your fucking life. Like, I'm being so dead ass. Just watch this video and I'm going to show you what's going to happen. So I know that I talked about losing all my money, right? Like, I was literally on Solana. I mean, not on Solana, but on these dexes, on Photon, on Dex, and just looking at everything every single day, bro. Like, I was not doing shit. Like, I wasn't going out. I was curving everyone. I was just on here trying to make money. I thought I could really trade my way to the top of meme coins, because let's be real, we all see those screenshots of people investing like $5 and making like 500 grand. Like, I really wanted to be that person, bro. Like, I really, really wanted to be that person. And I just wanted to be right here. I wanted to buy right here and then ride the wave up here and then just sell and bag everything and, just make my money. Like, I really wanted to do that. But it took me a while to realize that the people that actually like make the money are not doing that. They're not trading their way to the top. They're buying up here and they're selling up here. But the reason they're making money is because they're the insiders. They're the fucking insiders, bro. They're the ones creating the coins, pumping them, people buying it, and then they just sell. And then you're the one that's over here being a G and just losing all your money. Like, that's what it is, bro. That's how the game is. The only people that make the money are the creators. So that's why if you can't beat them, you join them. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys this revolutionary website that I found, or platform as I should say, that helped me go from being broke as fuck to literally buying a Corvette in a month and being able to buy my parents and my family whatever they wanted. It's called Memefast.fund. And the crazy part about this is it has this crazy fucking tool that lets you copy a trending coin in one click. And I know a lot of you guys know about meme coins and all these things, but you have to be very quick if you want to make money, if you are going to create a coin. The thing is, with these other websites that you could create a coin on, such as Pump.Fun, is that these coins are ass, bro. They are literally ass because the market cap is shit, and everybody knows that coins on Pump.Fun have no like credibility. Like, there's nothing special behind it. It takes no effort. You could make it with $10. Like, some guy in fucking India could make one right now for $5, bro. Like, it takes no effort, right? And it doesn't really show anything. So if you guys know that a lot of the good coins, as you guys could see right here, are on Photon. I mean, not on Photon, on Radium. Like, the dexes that it goes on are on Radium. So if you guys could see right here, all these coins have high market caps. They're all, very credible coins. They have projects, they have developers, coding, and all that behind it. And that does take a lot of effort. It does take a lot of time, and it does take a whole team. I promise you that these coins are not people by themselves like me. They're literally like a group of people that have a Telegram, that have an Instagram, that have all these social media platforms, and they're constantly posting day in, day out just to pump and dump. But it's worth it in the end, but it does take a lot of time and effort, and it does take a lot to get there. And me, simply, I didn't have time for that, and I wasn't up for that because obviously I want as much money as I can, and I didn't want to go through all that shit. And I'm obviously not a nerd, so I wasn't gonna go through the whole coding and everything like that, hire a developer to, launch a coin on Radium. The cool thing about this website that I've been telling you guys about is you could, one, copy a coin instantly that's already trending, that has eyeballs on it, and two, it's gonna get launched on fucking Radium, bro. Just think about it. Think about how insane that sounds, bro. On Radium, and it has already all the eyeballs. You know what that means? Basically, you don't even have to fucking do your market research or hire a developer or any of that stuff. You could literally just click create a token, have it launched on Radium, have people buy your shit and rug them, obviously for educational purposes, but that's really what it is. And that's what allowed me to do this, to reach financial freedom. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys step by step on how to do it. Obviously, I already have my Photon wallet connected right here. And as you guys could see, this coin right here is king of the hill. So if we go to Pump.Fun, it's probably going to be on the top of the list right here. I'm going to go ahead and click that right there and go back to Pump.Fun. You see, yeah, it's right there. You guys could see this coin is doing, we could actually view it here. It's doing, let's see, fairly well. Yeah, it's getting pumped, which is pretty cool. So really, if I wanted to, I could just copy that coin, create it, have it launched, and I'm going to make a shit ton of money. Because the thing about this game is that you need to be quick. You need to find these trendy things, and you need to act on them quick to make money, because this game is quick. There's no slow people that make money in this game. So you guys have to be quick. This is where this website, like I said, Memefast.fund, is going to help us do this. You're going to be able to create a coin instantly and have it launched on Radium with one click. It is literally fucking insane, bro. And it's how I've been making my money. So if let's say we do this one, right? We're going to do this because obviously this coin is trending and it already has the eyeballs. So people are going to buy it because you're just going to buy your way into the wave of getting the eyeballs. And we all know eyeballs equals buys. So I'm going to click create coin, right? So let me put my Phantom wallet right here. Unlock. So right here is just saying a couple things. Request block. You're going to proceed. Confirm. And this should be the last one. And yes, it's safe. Creating the token right here. Just wait 1 second. It should be done pretty quickly. Okay, just like that, our coin was successfully created. So you could copy it right here, and you could actually view it on Explorer and view the transaction, but we don't need to do that. So now the next step is to actually create the liquidity pool. This is just gonna be able for you to, have full control of the token, and in the future, if you want to, I'm saying it again, if you want to, remove all liquidity from the coin. So we're going to go ahead and create right here. This is our token right there. We're going to press max right there. So that should be it right there. And I do recommend to do anywhere from 0.3 to 1 Solana. But for the sake of this video, I'm just going to do 0.3. And I'm going to go ahead and just create the liquidity pool right there. So as you guys could see in the coin that I created right here, I did pump it and people are buying now. And pretty soon I'm going to take the liquidity out and I'm going to go buy a new fucking chain because, it's really that easy. And that's pretty much how I did it. Like, there really isn't anything special to it. but I need to lock in because I'm about to dump the shit out of this coin. But yeah, I need to lock in, boys. If you guys have any questions, just reach out to me in the Telegram. I'm going to put the link here. But yeah, this is literally how I do it and how I was able to reach financial freedom. If you guys need anything, just like the video, comment, and share this video. I really do appreciate you guys, and I hope we all get fucking rich in 2025.